start, but suddenly this literacy qualification has been introduced and their chances of promotion have been reduced to stop. The number of persons affected is very small, and I would therefore request the Honorable Minister to look into their case favorably. Stop. Another point is about telegraph inspectors. Stop. They are the people who look after the maintenance of telegraph lines. Stop. They have been recruited in the normal manner, and they are the people who have put in service of more than 10 or 15 years. Stop. The question of wireless inspectors came in at the time of war. Stop. They are now classified along with telegraph inspectors. Stop. Whenever certain appointments or grades are introduced, the case of the telegraph inspectors is overlooked. Stop. The wireless inspectors, who are called communication inspectors at present, came into the picture only at the time of war. Stop. Now what happens is that the telegraph inspectors who have put in a service of more than 10 or 15 years and who look after the work which was used to be done by the wireless inspectors are neglected and overlooked. Stop. I hope their cases will receive the deepest consideration of government and a proper solution will be found. Stop. Stanza. I now come to the grievances of travelling ticket examiners. Stop. Representations were made by them that they should be classified as running staff. Stop. They are not sitting staff. Stop. They have been representing that they should be classified as running staff along with the drivers and firemen. Stop. Their cases have also been overlooked. Stop. It is a small case and the railway board can easily understand it if only they have a mind to look into the matter. Stop. There are ever so many things, but I do not want to mention them all. Stop. I do not understand the secrets of the delay. Stop. According to the railway board, delay means 10 years. Stop.